In the manufacturing industry, variety is the name of the game. Every facility has its own sets of machines, materials, and processes, but one thing they all have in common is they need to keep equipment clean and running efficiently. Dry ice blasting is a powerful, non-abrasive way to remove dirt, grease, rust, and buildup across all types of surfaces. It doesn't matter if you're dealing with delicate electronics or heavy steel parts. There's no water involved and no harmful chemicals that could affect equipment or operators. Our L2P Dry Ice Blaster creates dry ice on demand from liquid CO2 in as little as 30 seconds. As long as you have liquid CO2, you'll have an uninterrupted supply of fresh dry ice pellets. For facilities that prefer pellet-based systems, we also offer the 740 and 15120 models. Whichever approach you take, you'll reduce downtime and get your equipment back up and running faster. If you're ready to keep your production lines running smoothly, contact us for more information or to set up a live demonstration. Surpass your expectations with Surpass Industrial.